Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing and the product coming from Waterfall brand. The product name is a OTC hearing aid to hear the wonderful word with Waterfall brand. I'm purchasing this product from official website in waterfall.com. This product I'm purchasing Waterfall Beethoven OTC hearing aid, and the original price of this product is $599, but now 43% is discount is going on. Product price is $339 only. I already added this product link in video description. You click and order this product and rest of information is here. What is new of this product? Look at this here, 360-degree voice tracking and noise reduction features they are introducing. Now we can do unboxing. Let's see. So this is our product, Waterfall OTC hearing aid to hear the beautiful word. Here, ready to use very easily. Dynamic power saving, AI intelligent, noise cancellation, AI intelligent, sound controlling. Product look like this. We just simply open this one. I already removed the courier. And here is the product, and look at this, the premium quality. Inside the box we receive here the Waterfall, one of the beautiful thought. Here is the magic booklet, how to use. First of all, they putting here the note, please charge your hearing device for 2 hours before use first time. So first of all, I need to charge this one. Apart from that, so first of all, I just simply open this one. Inside the box we receive the cleaning brush, new bone, here the USB and C charging cable, and here we receive the control, right, left, manual and music as well. Here is our product. It's very tiny. You can charge here both way, like a USB C port as well. So input and output as well. You can charge other devices as well. And here is our bone conduction tiny devices. First of all, I just simply charge this one. Look at this here, charging is going on. 87% battery is already available. We can spend here 2 hours and afterwards we can complete this video. So as a charging point of view, I just simply open this one and put it here in my Mac charger USB-C, and look at this here. This is the loudness of speaker A, right hand side, left hand side, and this is the device charging. This device itself one power bank, but we can charge device as well as earbuds as well. We can spend here around 2 hours and then see. Now I just simply open here Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is also showing in my iPhone. Connected is afterwards. I just simply can play here one of this is the maximum volumes I am receiving. If you play here music, and interesting fact, here you just simply press the button and you can very easily receive some voice, loudness, music, or change the direction as well. So look at this here, my ear like this. Currently I fix here. If you use a single one and if you are not receive proper voice, if someone speaking you inside the house, using this device you can very easily receive proper voice, as well as you can connect in your iPhone and listen the music as well. This is the really impressive features we are receiving using this tiny device. Hope you enjoy this unboxing, connecting and installation. If you have any question related on this tiny device, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.